Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The General Health Questionnaire assesses current psychological distress and general mental health in adults. It identifies symptoms such as anxiety, depression, sleep disturbance, reduced concentration, and impaired daily functioning. Its main purpose is to screen for possible non-psychotic psychiatric disorders and detect changes in mental well-being. It supports further clinical assessment but does not establish a diagnosis. The General Health Questionnaire is indicated for adults and adolescents in community samples, primary care, general medical outpatient services, and occupational health settings. It screens for current psychological distress and probable non-psychotic psychiatric disorders, including anxiety and depressive symptoms. It is most useful when clinicians need to identify patients who may require a more comprehensive mental health assessment, particularly when emotional symptoms are not the main presenting complaint. Studies commonly report sensitivity and specificity near 80%, although results vary according to the questionnaire version, cutoff score, and clinical setting. It is a screening instrument and does not establish a psychiatric diagnosis. The administrator gives the person the 12-item General Health Questionnaire and asks the person to consider symptoms and functioning during the past few weeks compared with their usual state. The items assess concentration, sleep, decision-making, self-worth, strain, confidence, and general psychological well-being. Each item has 4 response options, such as better than usual, the same as usual, worse than usual, or much worse than usual. For standard binary scoring, the first 2 responses receive 0 points and the last 2 receive 1 point. The total score ranges from 0 to 12. A score of 4 or more commonly indicates possible psychological distress and warrants further clinical assessment. A score below 4 suggests lower distress, but it does not exclude a mental health condition. The alternative Likert scoring method assigns 0, 1, 2, or 3 points to the 4 responses, producing a range from 0 to 36. Its interpretation requires locally validated reference values because thresholds vary by population and clinical setting. The sensitivity and specificity of the General Health Questionnaire vary according to its version, scoring threshold, and study population. A meta-analysis of the 12-item General Health Questionnaire reported pooled sensitivity of approximately 84% and specificity of approximately 82% at a commonly used threshold. Sensitivity is the proportion of people with a common mental disorder who are correctly identified by the questionnaire. Specificity is the proportion of people without the disorder who are correctly classified as negative. In clinical screening, these estimates mean that among 100 patients with a disorder, the questionnaire may identify about 84, while among 100 patients without the disorder, it may correctly classify about 82. The remaining patients require clinical assessment because screening results are not diagnostic. The General Health Questionnaire was developed by David Goldberg in 1972 as a screening instrument for identifying current non-psychotic psychiatric symptoms in community and primary care settings, rather than as a diagnostic measure. The original 60-item version and subsequent 30-item, 28-item, and 12-item forms have been evaluated against standardized psychiatric interviews, including the Clinical Interview Schedule and the Composite International Diagnostic Interview. Across studies, sensitivity and specificity have generally ranged from approximately 70 to 90%, with pooled estimates for the 12-item form commonly near 85% for sensitivity and 80% for specificity, although results vary according to the population, language, administration method, and threshold used. Research by Goldberg and colleagues, Banks and Schmitz and colleagues demonstrated acceptable criterion validity, while later psychometric studies reported internal consistency coefficients commonly between 0.82 and 0.9D, and evidence of convergent validity with measures of anxiety, depression, psychological distress, and functional impairment. Factor analytic investigations have generally identified related dimensions of anxiety and depression, social dysfunction, and loss of confidence, although the precise structure differs across cultures and samples. The instrument has also shown useful sensitivity to changes in psychological distress over time, supporting its application in epidemiological research, occupational health, and primary care screening. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.